What's up everyone? This is JR once again and welcome to my channel. Well, my video for today is going to be really short. I just want to experience how it is to do unboxing, and luckily, I was able to finally redeem the 2021 Starbucks organizer. Here it is, so join me on the next few minutes. Alright, well, before we continue, allow me to invite all of you, please do share the love and support by subscribing to my channel. Come on, just click the subscribe button along with the bell button to get notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, well, here it is again. This is the Starbucks 2021 organizer. I waited for this for quite some time because, just to share a quick story, nakompleto ko na yung requirement, which is usually the 18 stickers or 18 drinks around or towards end of December or around first week of January. However, every time I try to redeem it on any Starbucks store, walang available na stock, so I had to wait for some time. So I tried even going to Alabang, SM Bacoor, Glorieta, and finally, I was able to redeem one earlier from Starbucks at BGC Stopover. So thank you to their staff there. So let's do this. Alright, paano nga ba mag-unboxing? I don't know, so let's just open it right away. Come on. Alright. Madaliin na natin. This is it, guys. So here is the packaging. Wow. It's so good. May ganyan siya, may protection, and punitin na natin. Okay, here it is. It's the, well, there are 4 options. 2 are planners and then 2 are organizers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really sure, but I've always been eyeing for this one. Hinintay ko talagang magkaroon ng available stock. So this is the black organizer. There. So this is the case. And it has 2 zippers. Open natin. Alam ko yung mga kasama pa to sa loob aside from the organizer itself. Yeah, so here, meron siyang 2 compartment. Yay! Oh, meron pa rin siyang stickers. I think meron din ganito yung previous years. Pero yung nawala, because from what I remember, yung mga, well, with the planners from the previous years, meron usually kasamang pen. There you go. Ito ngayon wala na. And look here, so you can put your cards there. Just patawarin nyo na, first time mag-unbox. Pero masaya naman pala. Alright, let's open this one. Has this one, and then the stickers. Yay. And here it is. Para siyang matte. I think matte yung finish niya. And it says there's Starbucks Reserve. Ang class na tignan. Wow. I love this. There you go. So here it is, guys. Okay. Well, it may seem mababaw, but I'm really happy every time nakukuha ko yung yearly planner or organizer ng Starbucks. It has been a tradition for me. Actually, well, since we're doing this, let me show you yung mga na-collect ko from the previous years, though I was not able to find the others anymore. Too bad. Let me just show you what I have here. Okay, now, if I'm going to choose ng favorites kasi marami, among the planners, I'll go with these two. So this one is the 2018 planner. Ang ganda niya lang tingnan. Parang summer. It gives you summer feels with the color of the cover. Merong actually, this one comes with the leather cover. I don't know where I put it. I must have misplaced it somewhere. Pero, among the planners, my ultimate favorite will have to be the green planner from 2017. There you go, 2017. I'm just in love with green. It's my favorite color and it's also Starbucks color. Plus the design parang related to astronomy. There. Sobrang in love ako sa design nito. Now, well, just have two organizers. So if you have to choose between the two, I think I'll go with the 2021 Starbucks organizer over this one from 2019. But I used to like this as well because it's green. I think it's moss green. That's the shade that they used for this one. There, it is a different design, but we have to move on and embrace the Starbucks 2021 organizer. Well, there you go, guys. Again, I just wanted to keep this short. Thank you for joining me. I hope you did enjoy. And if you did, please do again. Please show your support. Please click that subscribe button now. Parang awa nyo na. Well, my initial goal on this channel is to reach 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. I'll tell you more about that in the next videos. Please do show your support and I'll see you on the next time. Again, this has been JR. Thank you and have a nice one. Bye-bye.